Welcome back to my channel, SP Racing. Today I'm gonna be upgrading the fuel pump. Let me show you which one I got here. W300C 340 LPH at 40 psi. Came with that, a couple of rubber seals, and some silicone. So for starters, I'm gonna have to get my back seat out. So I'm just gonna disconnect the battery. After you pull the seat out, you gotta take off these 4 screws. After you get the 4 screws out, there's a clip right there. You might need 2 hands for this, but you gotta push the back and pull it up. So next I'm going to use a flathead to loosen and a hammer to loosen this ring after I clean this out. I cleaned out all the crap. Now I'm going to disconnect the fuel line. I'm just going to go get some rags first. So I just got to hit it with the hammer. I can't do it with one hand, but oh, there you go. So that's what I'm doing, is just loosening it up, then I'll take it off. Alright, with a little bit of wiggling with 2 hands, you can get the whole unit comes out. You don't have to unhook anything. Be careful with that, because it's kind of hooked under. So once you start getting it up, you kind of gotta like dip this to get that out. Alright guys, so first I got this off. Just kind of, you line it up straight with that line, with that, and you pull these off. And then I went around and got all the wires off. And then this piece. So then this piece was clipped on. You have to slide that out, and it disconnects from holding this on. So there it is. There's the fuel pump. Alright, I got the old one out. So I'm going to put the new one in. Got to put on the retainer and the gasket. They also give you a little bit of lube and silicone. So I'm going to do that. Put on the gaskets. Check that out. Cut it all back together. So now we just got to put it back in the car. Alright, I got the new fuel pump in. I got this installed. It's kind of tricky to put this back in. There's a rubber seal on the very bottom here. And you kind of got to like use your hand and get it to go in, to get it to really sink down far enough to get the ring here to grab. I was stuck for a bit. This wouldn't grab. Before I screw these down, I'm going to try and start the car. So I just got to go put the battery terminal back on. Alright, I got the new fuel pump in. I'm just going to prime it a few times. So basically I'm just going to turn it to run a few times. Shut my door. And just hear if I can hear it whining. Oh, steering lock. Nope, wrong key. Alright, I'm gonna listen for the whine. I could hear it. Alright, I'm gonna try and start it.